Hey everybody, it's Wendy. Welcome. I'm so excited you're here today. This is week 6 of my 12 Weeks of Christmas series. If you've missed the other videos, it's because they are exclusive to my email subscribers only. This one I'm releasing publicly just so you can kind of get a taste of what you might be missing. If you want to sign up to get all of my exclusives, you can sign up in the link in the description below this video. So I used the detailed bauble framelits to cut out this piece in Poppy Parade here. And then I've got some other pieces of paper. We've got some Santa's Workshop DSP cut at 3x12, some Garden Green, Coastal Cabana, and finally a scallop oval from the layering framelits. So we're going to put this together. I've got an acetate box here, which Stampin' Up! Sells. All of the products I'm using on this are listed in the video, or listed in the description below the video. I tell you, I have the hardest time saying that correctly. And you can purchase them in my online store. With the exception of this little foam piece I'm about to show you, you have to purchase that from my friend Tamra. And there is a link for that also. So to her Etsy store. She made these really cool holders that hold a take your pick or take a pick tool from Stampin' Up! So you would buy the tool from Stampin' Up! And then you can buy the little foam piece from her, and you can buy all the other products from Stampin' Up! Through me also that you want to use. So here is a little foam piece. So it looks a little funny, I know, when you're just looking at it blank. But what you do is you take the tool and open it up, and then it'll fit all inside here, and it's so pretty when it's finished. So I am currently still in Orlando when you're watching this video, if all has gone well, I should say. All has gone like it's supposed to. I'm in Orlando, and I record these videos before I leave for my trip so that you are able to still have videos while I'm gone. And I made these for my team members. So I ordered a bunch of these from Tamra, and you can see there that she engraved Lovely Stampers at the top. That's the name of my team. And then I bought them all a take a pick tool and decorated all the boxes as you are going to see here. And then I gave them each one of these. And anybody who attended, that's what I should be saying here. Anybody who attended the event got one of these from me as a gift. And I just think it's such a nice way to give a gift. So if you have a crafty friend who loves crafty products, this is an awesome gift for them. And you could, instead of it saying Lovely Stampers, obviously you could have their name engraved at the top, or a little saying like, you know, I love crafting, or something along those lines. We're going to take the 3" by 12" belly band piece, and we're going to wrap it around. And I want my seam to come together in the front because it will be covered then by all of my little cardstock pieces. So I'm going to grab my tear and tape because I want to make sure it stays together. I don't want it coming apart, and I just have to add the tear and tape to one edge of the designer series paper. You're going to remove the release paper, which I love doing personally with the end of my take a pick tool. That little spatula end is great for that, and then it doesn't mess my nails up. And then I'm going to close it off like that. Super, super simple. All right, and then I've got all of my little pieces here that I'm going to layer onto the designer series paper. So I'm adding a little adhesive and going to grab that Poppy Parade. I just love the cutout that framelit makes with the little beveled edges. Super cute. And then I've got my piece of Garden Green, and all the measurements for this project are listed over on my blog, by the way. So if you are wondering what all these measurements are, you can check it out there. Do me a favor also, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up and leave me a comment and let me know. I always enjoy getting comments and thumbs ups letting me know if the video was something you enjoyed. Yeah. And then, okay, so we're gonna get this glued down because the adhesive's just too wide, so I just used Tombow glue. And then we're going to do our stamping and add our last piece. And I chose the, I think the name of the stamp set is Making Spirits Bright, maybe? I can't remember now. It left my head. Anyways, we're using Poppy Parade ink, and we're going to stamp a really cute sentiment that fits great in this little oval. Sorry about the camera shaking there. Friends make the season shine. And I thought that was perfect for giving this as a gift. And it's so cute. I just love the sentiment, how it is scrolly, the fonts, and then how it kind of comes out of the box. It's just really cute. That whole stamp set is really, really cute, by the way. Again, all linked below the video in the description. So if you want any of these products, you can grab them there. And if you want to sign up for my email, you can do that there as well. Just removing the dimensional backing here and adding it on. So I'm going to predict that I'm having a great time in Orlando right now and enjoying some great time with friends and yummy food and all those things, even though I'm recording this a week before I leave. And there it is. There's my project. Isn't that cute? Okay, so if you enjoyed this video, like I said, give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment. If you want to see more of my exclusive Christmas videos, you can do that by clicking the link in the description below to sign up for my emails. I really hope you enjoyed this one. If you want to see more videos from me, click either image that you see here. Click on the little circle with my face in it to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And as always, you can shop with me at shoplovinstampin.com. Thanks so much, and I will be back on Monday to show you all the fun stuff I got in Orlando. Bye.